So today, guys, we are going to be talking about what makes a person stylish and what does not. And if you keep seeing me look down, that's because I'm looking at notes that I took about all of this today. If you don't know, my name is Lucita Myers, and I am an artist, a designer, and a creator, and I do DIY projects all the time, and I love to post them and show you. I do a little segment called Figuring It Out as I Figure It Out, and that's what I did today with this piece I'm wearing. And if you'd like to see how I made it, I did do a YouTube video showing how I did this. So, okay, the first thing about things that make you look stylish is jewelry. Wearing a lot of expensive jewelry like I have here, earrings. Just, I say when I get older, I'm just going to wear all my jewelry. Everything at one time is silvers, gold, pearls, gems, just a lot of jewelry. Like that is a way to be very stylish without you're doing a lot, but you're not doing too much. The next thing I say is wearing sunglasses. I wear sunglasses year round. So like different celebrities I see wear sunglasses all the time. Like you wear sunglasses to match your outfit. It's purposeful. So jewelry is not really purposeful. It has no purpose. The only thing about jewelry is you like it. But glasses and sunglasses, they can serve a purpose and to add to your wardrobe of stylishness. Like wearing vintage, thrifted, or things that are like older fabrics and colors that are rich are another way to showcase being stylish. Like things that have floral prints that are old, tapestry material, silky fabrics with different textures to it. Really look good, like vintage stuff, vintage shirts, vintage T-shirts with jeans, or whatever, a vintage denim coat or older oversized vintage coat with a distressed and dirt look, like stuff that looks like it's been used, it's been loved, it has a second home now with you, or just things that you've had for a long time makes you really stylish in my well put together layers is another thing, like wearing a button up, an oversized button up, and then putting a sweatshirt over top of it, wearing a long skirt, and then putting some thin pants underneath it. Layering is tricky. It's very stylish, but it's tricky because you have to know what looks good with what in order to pull it off. But layering is always a plus in my book if you know what you're doing. Wearing strong looks like avant-garde looks and textures, strong shapes like the barrel jeans. But you also have to know what you're doing. The shirts with the really big puffy sleeves, or like things that stand out that are bold when it comes to the shape of them, are really stylish. Casual shoes are really in now. That's the next one. Loafers and clogs, and I kills clogs. Like I got like 4 or 5 pair of clogs because those are my everyday shoes that really pull your outfit together. But clogs of any kind, any colors are the best, and loafers with like scrunch socks and like khakis or nice fitted jeans or baggy jeans. Just loafers in general have really came into the style game this season and last season. Like they're just something that just keeps coming and coming in different colors, and I feel like it's just effortless. It's effortless style. It's textures. Even in the summer, I still wear leather. I'll wear something leather, like a leather skirt or wools, furs, anything that has a texture. So my thing is I like to mix and match stuff. So if I wear a leather skirt or leather pants, I'm going to wear a solid shirt or something solid and smooth or fitting. Like textures of like canvas, or I've been recently wearing a lot of stuff that's really thin, like the shirts that are made out of that nylon thin material that has like the drawstring. I wear those a lot I have like three of them I got from H&M. Like they're really like breezy, like they catch air. And one is I do this thing, and I feel it's really stylish to where if I wear like a tight shirt like this on my bottom half, I'll wear like a pleated skirt that like the shape, like something that bigger at the bottom. Wearing monochromatic colors. So this is the way I love this, and the Kardashians do this a lot. Kim does this a lot. It's where she takes one color, like if I wanted to wear blue, and I wear all different shades of that blue and everything. I wear the shades, I wear the jewelry, I wear the pants, the socks. Everything is that color, but it's not the same color. It's like different shades of that color, and it can be done with any color, and it's just so freaking stylish to me. I love that. The thing is wearing oversized. I love oversized button ups and wear them as dresses. I love oversized denim jackets or jackets of any sort. I love oversized pants with heels. I just love that oversized, comfortable, but still sexy, not that revealing kind of thing. I think that is so freaking stylish and sexy. Tasteful sheer is my next one. I love a good tasteful sheer. Like Asian cultures do that sheer thing a lot. I don't know if it's Asian or either Chinese. Don't come at me. I'm just but I see where they wear a lot of like sheer tops and stuff. And I wear sheer. I like to wear. I've worn sheer pants before, but I make sure I cover my bra that's covering, or wearing the lace pants or the sheer pants, but wearing the undergarments that are covering like your butt cheeks and covering your hoo ha. And I just think it could be done so beautifully if you do it right, especially with like nudes and black. It can be very stunning and very stylish. Last but not least, this is one of my lovies. I love this. I've been doing this. So if you know me and you don't, but you're getting to know me, I love to wear socks that have characters and different colors and patterns and words on them. I've been doing this since I was young. Like when I say young, I mean like 11 or 12. And I said it was my religion not to wear white socks unless they're bedazzled or something like that. So socks, my sock head. I'm a sock head to the core. So I collect socks. So wearing socks that have character and that pull together your outfit, wearing bedazzled socks, wearing socks that really like if you didn't have those socks on, the outfit wouldn't be what it is. I love a good sock with an outfit. Or wearing a sock that throws off the outfit completely, like a pop of color with your socks. Like it just gives me life. That is my last one, and that is a great one to end with. And if you love this segment and things like this, my figuring it out while I'm figuring it out, just stay tuned and I will keep coming with the sauce for y'all. Until then, thank you later. Bye, guys.